In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a new branch in GitHub. This is essential when you want to work on new features or experiments without affecting your main codebase, giving you a safe space to develop and test changes independently. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're on the home page, log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your GitHub dashboard. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to create your new branch. Once you've opened the repository, look near the top of the page for the branch selector, which will typically show main or your current branch name. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select View All Branches. This will take you to a page displaying all the branches in your repository. Now, look toward the upper right corner and click on New Branch. A text field will appear asking you to enter a name for your new branch. Choose a descriptive name that clearly represents the purpose of the branch, such as a new feature, bug fix, or experiment. After entering your branch name, click Create New Branch. GitHub will create the new branch based on the branch you currently have selected. Your new branch is now ready for you to make changes without affecting the main branch. And that's it. You've successfully created a new branch in GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.